Annotating student work using the drawing tool. To annotate a student's submission by drawing freehand on the student's work, first click the pencil icon displayed on the main tool strip above the student work. This reveals the drawing tool strip directly below the main tool strip. If you now roll your pointer over the student work, you should see that the cursor has changed to a circle. Click and hold down your pointing device button and move your pointing device to draw on the student's submission. When you release your pointing device button, the current drawing action will be stopped, and what you have drawn will become discretely selectable. If you disengage the pencil tool by clicking on it, and then click on the drawing, you will see that you can manipulate the drawing by dragging on the anchor points of its bounding box. You can also delete the entire drawing when it's selected by pressing Delete on your keyboard. If you wish to delete only a part of a drawing, then you can use the Eraser tool available from the drop-down arrow at the right of the Pencil tool. When the Pencil tool is engaged, you can also change the colour it will draw with. The opacity of the lines you create, and the weight of the lines, amongst other parameters. Note that this tool can be an efficient way to annotate student work if you are using a graphics tablet or a tablet with a stylus, for example.